Welcome to Basic Greetings. In this lesson, we will learn the most common ways to say hello in English. These are essential phrases you will use every day when meeting people. Let's start with two fundamental greetings. Hello is a formal and friendly greeting that works in almost any situation. Hi is a casual and informal greeting that you use with friends, family, and people you know well. English speakers often use greetings that change depending on the time of day. Say good morning when you greet someone early in the day, from sunrise to noon. Use good evening when you greet someone in the late afternoon or evening. Here are practical examples of how to use these greetings. You can say hello, how are you when you want to greet someone formally. Say hi, what's up in casual situations with friends. Use good morning, did you sleep well when greeting someone in the morning. Say good evening, nice to meet you in formal evening settings. It is important to understand when to use formal or informal greetings. Formal greetings like hello, good morning, and good evening are appropriate for professional settings, business meetings, and formal events. Informal greetings like hi, hey, and what's up are perfect for friends, family, casual gatherings, and interactions with peers and colleagues. Now let's practice using these greetings in real situations. In the morning at work, say good morning, how are you today? When meeting a friend, say hi, it is so good to see you. At an evening event, say good evening, it is a pleasure to meet you. In casual settings with friends, say hey, what has been going on? Practice these phrases and you will feel comfortable greeting people in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.